how to replace the sway bar end link in your 2013 to 2018 Lincoln MKZ. I am Stephen Wimberley, and this is Working with Wimberley. So here is the sway bar end link. $18mm nut on top, and the middle will be a 6mm hex bit. Use an 18mm wrench and a 6mm hex bit socket to remove the nut. Now you'll repeat the process at the bottom with the 18mm wrench and the 6mm hex bit socket. It's a little tight at the bottom, but you can still get it done. Use a pry bar to lower the sway bar so you can remove the end link. Here is the old end link. As you can see, the old end link used the 18mm nut, but it had the hex in the middle. This is the new end link, and it has an 18mm bolt. There's a bolted stud on the threads. That's a 15mm that you'll use to stop it from spinning. So I'll put the 18mm socket here, and I'll use my 15mm wrench here to prevent it from spinning. So I'm going to get this in place on the car. Install the new end link at the top and thread the nut on by hand. Use the pry bar to lower the sway bar and slide the end link in at the bottom. And thread the nut on by hand. Use an 18mm socket and a 15mm wrench to tighten the nut at the bottom, and you repeat the process at the top. And this job is done. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, and leave a comment. God bless you all.